What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to your daily Luna Classic update. That is what it has become. I still think it's very important and valuable to take a look at Luna Classic right now. A lot of people have invested in it lately. A lot of people are trading it, and I just kind of wanted to go over the developments in this video. We'll mostly be going over the price. All right, the last couple of videos I covered whether I think it could reach 10 cents. I also covered some of the fundamentals. Some of the fundamentals might be good to talk about in this video, and we will. But apart from that, let's get right into it. Volume has dropped down again. It's now under 600 million, which is still a lot, all right? If the burn tax of Luna Classic gets implemented, 600 million is still enough to, over time, burn enough supply to actually get up in price, all right? And to actually decrease that supply. So that's still enough. If it keeps on dropping down like this, so if this trend keeps on continuing, we might get to levels where it's not enough anymore, all right? But as I said, I will keep updating Luna Classic, so don't worry about that yet. If we take a look at the price, as I said, we'll mostly be going over the price. You can see that we're stuck between this 23,000 level. That's also always what I'm naming the prices as. That's our lower bound. You can see this whole box, and on the upper bound, it's 26,500. Roundabout, right? You can also drag this up to 27,000. Maybe that's even better, but we're kind of stuck in that level, and that isn't necessarily bad. Luna Classic overall, if you take a look at the last 3 months, most of the times it just moved sideways. So you can also see that we are forming some sort of a triangle. I don't think we're going to get a breakout out of that triangle. I don't think that there's enough volatility for that for now. What I expect is that we'll just stay consolidated right here, drop down to 23,000, consolidate down there, and just kind of consolidate within that whole level. I think the main thing we need for Luna Classic is not something technical. It's something fundamental. The burn tax needs to get implemented, all right, on multiple exchanges. It needs to be accepted. If that actually happens, then I think we're going to get that run, all right? And that initial run will be a breakout out of 27,000 and a run up to this level here around 34,000 and 35,000. That's at least my analysis, all right? You should always know that. That's my initial price target. When we hit that level, I'm not saying we're going to drop down immensely, but when we hit that level, I'll make an update on that, all right, to see what the next price targets are. Probably 40,000. But that's the main thing we're waiting for, and we could actually consolidate for quite some time, not too long, but we could actually consolidate for a week within this level until we get those fundamentals. All right, and to me, something that is important technically is that we stay above 23,000. All right, if we break down through and I do expect that, but if for some reason we break down below 23,000, we'll drop down to 21,000 and to 20,000, and I do think that then 20,000 would hold. But what happens if we get the bullish fundamentals when we have dropped down to 20,000 is we need to break through all these resistance levels again. And we're probably not going to reach 34,000 as easily, all right? We'll probably first find resistance at 30,000 again, which just decreases the potential of a bull run. So dropping down to getting a bearish breakout out of 23,000 isn't the end of the world, but it will significantly decrease the gains in the future, at least on the short term. All right, so that's my update right now on Luna Classic and some other insights, some of the things I'm looking at. If you still have any questions about that, or if you want to discuss anything, please feel free to do that in the comments. I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today. Bye.